I think I mentioned at the end of the last video that we were going to enter new data. Well, that's sort of correct, but what we're really going to do is edit the contents of a cell. So let's get started. Select a cell that you want to edit. Let's just say L15. So left mouse button, click once on L15. And I had to click it a couple times. I must have missed it the first time, but click it until it's selected. And now to edit the data of the cell, go up to the formula bar, left mouse button once, and now you can edit the value. So instead of 35, let's say 98. So backspace, backspace, 98, and then click return or enter. You've just edited the data of the cell. Another way you could do this, let's go down to L16, is to double click on the cell with the left mouse button. So double click real fast, and now you're in editing mode. Use your arrow keys to delete the value. You can backspace, backspace, and then enter another value. Let's say 88, and click return. Now you have that value entered in. Another way of entering a value without clicking return, which is a little bit slower, but another way of doing it, is to edit the value again, double click on it, and use your arrow keys to get behind it, and then backspace, backspace, enter a 55, and you can go up to the formula bar up here and click the checkbox. It's the same as enter. Just another way to do it. So now you have another value entered in there. Nice job. All right, if you found this video helpful, could you please give it a like? It'll really help me out, and I'll see you on the next video.